Rob Rudder. Today we're going to be talking about the Eurovac II 3.9 and 4.6 Velocity Weld Fume Extraction Portable. Unit is going to come on a skid. On that skid you're also going to have a hose that comes with the unit and a electrical cord. On the 3.9, it's going to be a 115 regular plug into a regular receptacle. On the 4.6, you're going to have a 220 single phase, 2-pole, 4-wire plug that's going to need the proper receptacle for that connection. As you can see, it's not a standard plug on the 4.6. Both units operate the same. You're going to plug your hose in on the left side, and then you're going to plug your other end into a vac ready welding gun into the port at the back, whereby the fumes, when you turn the unit on, are going to suck the fumes through the weld gun into the unit. Unit has a few different ways of turning it on and off. The main one is going to be simply turning the unit on. The other option that you have, which is an add-on, is going to be in the auto feature. You're going to see right here, this is a connection for a current sensor, which you're going to have connected to the weld gun. When you pull that trigger, it's going to turn the unit on, and when you take your hand off the welding gun, the unit will shut off. As for maintenance, fairly basic. As dust and debris cycles around, it's going to end up in the canister at the bottom. You're going to want to empty this daily out of the gates. You might find that over time you find you need to empty it, once every 2 days, once a week, whatever that schedule is. Out of the gates, you want to empty that daily just to get that schedule going. To take the canister off, you're going to simply unclasp both clips on the sides, take the body, put it to the side. This canister you're then going to empty into a garbage can. You also have a filter inside the main unit that you're going to need to get to and maintain as well. You're going to take the unit motor head off of the top, and then inside here you can see there's a plate holding this filter down. You need to get the proper tools, unscrew these. But one thing that's worth noticing is you can clean this filter manually by taking compressed air and blowing it over top of that filter, whereby it allows the dust and debris to drop to the canister, giving you better performance. What you're seeing here is a clean side, dirty side, Magnehelic differential pressure gauge, which will tell you when that filter is getting dirty. And that's the gauge on the front here. 0, you're totally clean. On the far side, you're getting dirty. So right about in the middle, you're going to want to change that filter and go through the steps that I showed you by removing that filter and contacting Eurovac for replacement pricing, or through your authorized distributor. Inside of the top of this unit, you're also going to have motors, which over a set period of time, typically around 5,000 hours is what they're rated for. You're going to need to change those as well. They're brush type motors and will give out over a set period of time. But all in all, a fantastic unit for cleaning up your breathing space, your shop air, and generally providing a healthier work environment for you and your employees. For more information, don't hesitate to call us, 1-800-265-3878, or email us, info@eurovac.com, or you can always visit our website, www.eurovac.com.